Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. PyTorch is a popular deep learning framework that provides flexibility and control to researchers and practitioners. PyTorch Lightning is a lightweight wrapper around PyTorch that simplifies the training and research process by providing a high-level interface. In this tutorial, we will explore the differences between PyTorch and PyTorch Lightning, and demonstrate how PyTorch Lightning can streamline the training process. To get started, you need to install both PyTorch and PyTorch Lightning. You can install them using pip. Let's start with a simple PyTorch example to train a neural network on the MNIST dataset. This is a basic PyTorch script for training a neural network on the MNIST dataset. Now let's see how PyTorch Lightning can simplify this. PyTorch Lightning abstracts away much of the boilerplate code required for training, validation, and testing loops. It also provides a standardized structure for your deep learning projects. Key components of PyTorch Lightning. Now, let's see how the previous PyTorch example can be transformed into a PyTorch Lightning script. In this PyTorch Lightning script, we define a simplifies class as a PL Lightning module. We also create a MNIST data module class as a PL Lightning data module for loading the MNIST dataset. The training loop and optimizer setup are abstracted into methods, and the actual training process is handled by the PL trainer. By using PyTorch Lightning, the code becomes more organized and easier to understand, especially as the complexity of the project increases. This tutorial covers the basics of PyTorch Lightning and demonstrates how it can simplify the training process compared to raw PyTorch. As you explore more advanced features, you'll discover additional benefits of using PyTorch Lightning in your deep learning projects. ChatGPT.